Hi guys, this is Wang from Saxon. In front of us today is an AstroSeeker 127 Mac cascade telescope. So before that we can use the telescope, we first have to set up its computerized hand controller by going through the star alignment procedure. In order for the OTA of the telescope to be able to accurately point at objects in the sky, we have to make sure it is perfectly aligned with known position, which are stars in the sky. From this information, the telescope itself can project a mapping of the sky, which then be able to help us to locate two known objects from its database. Before we start the star alignment procedure, we have to point the telescope to north. We can start this process by balancing the OTA of the telescope. We need to make sure that it is nice and balanced. Make sure the OTA of the telescope is leveled to 0 degrees. Third and last, we need to point the OTA of the telescope towards compass north. To power on the telescope, find the power switch on the fork arm. The screen of the hand controller will be lit up afterwards. Finite-scope alignment is also crucial for star alignment. Turn on the red LED light by turning the knob on the finite-scope itself. Use the hand control direction arrow buttons to point the telescope at a distant land object. Like a telephone pole, or at night you can use the moon. Center and focus the object in the 25mm eyepiece of the telescope. In order to accurately center an object in the eyepiece, it may be necessary to change the moving speed of the motors. To change the moving speed, press 2 rate and select a number from 1, which is the slowest, to 9, that is the fastest. With the object centered in the eyepiece, use the azimuth, which is left and right, and the altitude, which is up and down adjustment knobs, to place the red aligned dots directly over the centered object. Once you have aligned your finite-scope, make sure to turn off the LED light to conserve the battery. First, set longitude, and also remember to set west or east based on your location. Press enter after confirmed. Similar to longitude, now we need to set latitude. Also remember to set north and south based on your location. We can press left or right to adjust different value in this interface. Press enter after confirmed. Now we need to set our time zone. Press enter after confirmed. For this step, we need to set the evaluation. Press enter after confirmed. Lastly, we need to set the date. It is important to remember that we enter the values following the order of months, day, and year. Press enter after confirmed. Select the status of daylight saving hours. To change the option, simply press up or down key. Press enter after confirmed. Press 1 for begin alignment, or press 2 to go back to change the information. And now, the computerized hand control will be set for star alignment. For this video tutorial, we will guide you through how to conduct a true star alignment. For the AstroSeeker mount, other options are also available. Press enter. Select one of the celestial objects that is available in your current sky from the lists. Now we need to find the object with the OTA of the telescope. Press enter. Now we need to find the celestial object by using the arrow keypad. We need to make sure that the finite-scope red dot is pointing at the object. Afterwards, press enter again. Now we need to make sure that the same object is in the center of the eyepiece view. Press Enter to confirm. Now the first star alignment is completed, we move on to the second star alignment. Choose one of the celestial objects from the lists. Without needing to find the objects by ourselves, simply press Enter. The AstroSeeker mount will be able to find the objects by itself. With the OTA, find the approximate location of the objects. Now, we still need to do some manual fine-tuning to make sure that the object is right at the center of the eyepiece. Press Enter to confirm. Now the alignment is successful. After the two stars alignment is accomplished, to be able to look at the planet, simply press 7. Choose any one of the planets from the list. Press Enter so that the OTA will locate itself to the planet. Thank you so much for watching this video and going through this tutorial with us of how to set up the AstroSeeker telescopes. I hope you enjoy stargazing and happy exploration.